In this lesson, we're going to start working with the shopping cart items endpoint. So in the Postman, let's open this endpoint. That's basically a GET request. We'll take the user ID and returns the list of shopping cart items. So inside the Visual Studio, let's try to create a method. What I'm going to do is, I'll simply copy this getCart subtotal method and paste it here. Right after that, I'm going to rename this method to get shopping cart items and just make sure to pass the user ID parameter of integer type. Then let's copy the URL of your API endpoint and paste it here. Now if you go to the Postman, then here you can see that this request will return the list of shopping cart items. So instead of passing the cart subtotal, let's pass list of shopping cart item class. And then make the return type of this method to task list of shopping cart item. Alright, that's all from this method. Now I will see you in the next lesson.